Hey everyone, Dan at Ochiko Bushcraft. You may be well familiar with the Leatherman Supertool, and you may carry one as part of your bushcraft kit. I absolutely love the Supertool and have found numerous uses for it out here. I've used it to carve with, to file things with, to make wire bale handles for pots and things out here doing bushcraft. I think it's an essential part of my kit. In fact, I've actually taken to carrying it uh, in the pocket on the sheath of my big knife. Fits both in my SE Hungles 2 sheath and my Becker BK9. So it's always there, an extra tool. But what you may not know is that the Leatherman Supertool is also an amazing fire starter. I want to show you. I got myself a piece of fat wood, and the blade on the Leatherman is a very, very good blade for making fine curls and shavings. So I've got me some fat wood. Let's get my sweet spot here. There we go. Just had to find that sweet spot where I could get it to start curling. But you can put a razor edge, and keep a razor edge really easy, on, oops, that one got a little too fat, but you can put a razor edge on your Leatherman Supertool and it will make fine shavings and fine curls very easy with the knife. Essential for helping to start a fire. Well, show you what else. The saw. Saw on the Leatherman Supertool actually, the back of it has a very, very sharp spine. So while I might get my fine curls and stuff with the blade, I can get those fine scrapings that will catch a spark with the saw, back of the saw. Okay, see that? Those are the fine scrapings that will catch a spark so easily. I'll make me a little pile of those because there's more to it. Okay, so I'm going to transport those down here to a piece of bark. I got these fine scrapings I made with the back of my saw. And just going to make a small pile of these. Goes up right here. And then I got these little curls that the knife blade made so I can get my fine curls and some shavings and fine sticks and things with the blade. And then I can get my scrapings with that 90-degree spine on the back of the saw. Well, check this out. There, oh, back of that saw blade actually throws sparks better than the back of my knife, better than the strikers that come with any of the ferro rods. I mean, this thing is amazing. So not only do you have what, file and bottle opener and can opener and knife blade and saw and pliers and wire cutters and all kinds of useful bushcraft things, but you also have something in here with the blade to give you fine curls. You have something in here to give you fine shavings, and you have something in here that will throw sparks incredibly well. Like I said, better than the back of my knife, better than any of the strikers that have come. Just another use for the Leatherman Supertool. So highly recommended, guys, if you're not carrying, and I'm sure that there are other multi-tools. You know, I was using the Leatherman rebar for a while, but I wanted the bigger, heavier duty pliers and the bigger saw and things, so I moved up to the Supertool 300. There's a lot of multi-tools that will do this very same thing. Just make sure you get a good one, you know, one that's as heavy duty and isn't going to break or bend or something. But Leatherman Supertool, highly recommended to be as part of your bushcraft kit. And as I said, an awesome little fire maker. Thanks, guys.